Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making chocolate muffins, so let's go. Let's start off by cracking the egg and make sure to scramble it really well, and then we'll go on to the next step. After you're done, add your oil and mix it well. Make sure it's a little bit creamy. While we're mixing, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. After you're fully done mixing, it's time to add the milk and mix. After you're done, add your sugar and mix thoroughly. Then get a sifter, put your flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and sift. After done completely sifting and getting some out of the bowl, mix it with a spatula, only if needed, go in with a whisk. It should look like this after, creamy and smooth. When you're done, put it aside and take out your muffin tray. Mine's made of silicone, but you can get whatever you want. Then align. Then fill it. I filled mine with a 4th cup because mine were a bit smaller, but if yours are bigger, I recommend going in with a 3rd cup. I know when I put in this time lapse, you didn't really see them grow, but you can see a little that they started rising. You'll see the end result in a few seconds. After they were done, they looked like this. I rested them aside for 5 to 10 minutes to touch, and then I ate them and they were delicious. They were crispy on top, moist and fluffy on the inside. I definitely recommend this if you have any guests over. It's definitely a crowd pleaser.